This is a Google poster that I'm going to show you how to edit. First thing you may want to edit is the title. So I'm going to double click on where it says book title, and up pops a box. I'm going to delete what's there. And I'm going to put the name of my book, The Hunger Games. I'm going to hit enter when I'm done. It comes in huge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the blue squares and drag it in until it fits inside the frame of my poster. You can also change the color of your text by going up to the fill bucket. You don't have to have everything black. So I'm going to pick a nice kind of gold color, and there changed my title is changed. You can always go back and also change the font of your text if you wanted to. So I'm going to change it to Calibri, and it changes the font of your title as well. The other thing you can change is the background color. So you're going to need to click on anywhere on the white. Once you do that, you'll see a button that says background. So I'm going to click on that. Obviously, you can click on the color and change it to any color, but I'm going to show you a different way. You're going to click on the choose image button. The natural instinct is for you to try to put in the Mockingjay as the background. I'm going to show you why not to do that. I'm going to temporarily pick the Mockingjay, and I'm going to insert it, and I'm going to show you what happens. I'm going to hit done. It completely will take over your background, and you will not be able to read your text. So I highly recommend that you don't do that. I'm going to hit Control Z to undo that. I'm going to go back to the background, go back to the choose image, but this time I'm going to type in the words blue background. And it'll give me a whole bunch of choices for a blue background. Again, I highly recommend do not choose a background with an image. Choose something subtle that will not be super busy on your background. So I've chosen this one, and up pops a light blue background. You can go through and also change the font of your subtitles. You can change the font, the color. So I'm going to choose a lighter yellow. And you can also click on any of the subtitles to change whatever you want. When you're ready to add your text, you simply click on the text box, delete what's there, and start adding your text. You can also change your text color by going up here, and you can also change the font by clicking here, and the font size. Just make sure that your complete text remains within the box. You can resize the box just a little bit, but you should be able to read everything that's in your box. You can also add images. These little pictures are just placeholders. You just click on it and hit backspace, and you can delete the placeholders, and then you can go and get the pictures that would match your report. So I'm going to click on the plus here, which gives me a new tab. I'm going to go to images.google.com. I'm going to type in the Hunger Games book, and up pops lots of choices. Choose one that you like. So I'm going to go to the first one. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to go to copy image, go back to the top tab, and then right back at my poster, I'm going to do Control and the letter V. Up pops my book cover that I copied. I'm going to place it where I want it. You can use the blue handles to resize it to make it a little bit bigger so it fits nicely on your book report. You can do the same thing and go back and get more images. I'm going to go back to the book, the second tab. I'm going to type in the Mockingjay pin now, and you're going to find one that you like. So I like this one here, so I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to go copy image and go back to my poster, and I'm going to do Control V. In pops my Mockingjay. So you want to make sure your poster is not only complete with all the required content, but is also organized and eye-pleasing to whoever looks at your poster. If you have to share your poster, make sure you go to the share button, type in your partner's ID number. I'm going to type in my partner, And then I'm going to hit enter, and then her name appears here, and then you would send it. So if you are sharing with your partner, make sure you divide up the work. There are 6 boxes, so maybe you do 3 boxes and your partner does 3 boxes. Before you turn in your work, make sure that you take time to go to the tools and spell check your work and make sure everything is complete. Make sure all your texts are within the limit of the borders, that nothing is going outside this border. And then you would submit your completed work to your teacher. Good luck, and hope you design an absolutely fabulous poster.